Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Azure Beauty Dip Powder Kit is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly nail enhancement systems available today, offering a salon-quality manicure experience right in the comfort of your own home, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned DIY nail enthusiasts looking for durable, beautiful, and long-lasting results without the need for harsh UV/LED lamps. Number 5. TsMADDTs 12 PCS Nail Files and Buffers Set. Achieve salon-quality nails at home or in the salon with this professional manicure tool set. It's perfect for both natural and acrylic nails. Crafted with durable emery, these tools provide precise shaping for your nails. Get the perfect contour every time. Effortlessly shape and polish your nails to a beautiful finish. These tools make nail care simple and effective. Experience salon-quality results whether you're a professional or doing your nails yourself. They are designed for ultimate performance. This comprehensive 12-piece set includes 180 grit files, offering versatility for all your nail care needs. It's everything you need for perfect nails. What we like? This set offers a generous 12 pieces of durable emery boards. With both 100 and 180 grit, they are perfect for shaping and polishing. If you're looking for a comprehensive and long-lasting set of nail files for both natural and acrylic nails, this is a great choice for your DIY or professional needs. What people say. The colors are beautiful and the kit includes everything you need to get started. The powder is very fine and applies smoothly, creating a natural-looking finish. The kit comes with a variety of colors, so you can experiment with different looks. Number 4. SAVILAND Dip Powder Remover Kit. Say goodbye to tedious soaking and wrapping. Our professional kit offers a gentle and safe way to remove dip nails. Experience a comfortable removal process. This formula is designed to be kind to your nails and skin. Everything you need is included. This kit comes with essential tools for a perfect at-home manicure. Save time and effort with our innovative solution. You can achieve a clean finish without the usual hassle. Not only does it remove dip powder, but it also cares for your cuticles. Enjoy healthier-looking nails after every use. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. This kit makes at-home dip nail removal simple and effective. What we like? This kit provides a professional and gentle way to remove dip nails without the need for soaking or wrapping. It even includes cuticle oil to keep your nails healthy. If you want a quick, safe, and less damaging removal process for your dip manicures at home, this is the product for you. What people say. The colors are beautiful and the kit has everything you need to get started. The powder applies smoothly and evenly, making it easy to achieve a salon-quality finish at home. The kit includes a variety of colors and tools, offering great value for money. Number 3. AZUREBEAUTY Dip Powder Nail Kit. Introducing the AZUREBEAUTY Dip Powder Nail Kit, your all-in-one solution for beautiful nails. Achieve salon-quality results right at home with this comprehensive starter set. Explore a versatile palette of 4 stunning colors, including chic nude, elegant pink, and dazzling glitter hues. These shades are perfect for any occasion and season. This starter set is ideal for creating classic French nails or experimenting with unique designs. Its adaptability makes it perfect for year-round wear. Everything you need is included to get started immediately. The kit comes complete with base coat, top coat, and activator for a flawless finish. Enjoy the convenience of DIY salon liquids that ensure professional-looking results every time. Create stunning manicures effortlessly with this easy-to-use kit. What we like? This starter kit comes with 4 beautiful nude, pink, and glitter hues, perfect for French nails and any season. It includes all the necessary base coat, top coat, and activator. If you're new to dip powder or want a convenient all-in-one solution for creating salon-quality French manicures at home, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. The colors are beautiful and the kit has everything you need to get started. The powder is very fine and applies smoothly, creating a natural-looking finish. The kit includes a variety of colors and tools, making it a great value for the price. Number 2. SAVILAND Dip Powder Liquid Set. Discover the ultimate nail dip system essentials. This set provides everything you need for a perfect manicure at home. Our formula is HEMA-free, ensuring a safer and more comfortable experience for your nails. Enjoy beautiful results without compromise. Forget the hassle of UV lamps. This system allows for a quick and easy application with no curing required. Get salon-quality nails in minutes. Each bottle contains 20 milliliters of high-quality liquid, offering a large capacity for extended use. You'll have plenty of base, activator, top coat, and brush saver. This comprehensive set includes all the essential liquids for a flawless dip powder application. Achieve professional-looking results from the comfort of your home. Elevate your DIY home manicure with this user-friendly dip powder liquid set. It's designed for simplicity and stunning, long-lasting results. What we like? This HEMA-free liquid set boasts a large 20 milliliters capacity for each essential dipping component. It offers a complete system without the need for UV LED curing. If you prioritize HEMA-free formulations for sensitive nails or are looking for a generous supply of dipping liquids for frequent home use, this set is ideal. What people say. The colors are beautiful and the kit has everything you need to get started. The powder is very fine and applies smoothly, creating a natural-looking finish. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and the results are salon quality. Number 1. SAVILAND HEMA-free Dip Powder Liquid Set. Discover the revolutionary HEMA-free Dip Powder Liquid Set from SAVILAND. Achieve salon-quality nails at home with this essential dipping system. This comprehensive set includes 4 15 milliliters bottles, base coat, activator, top coat, and the brush saver. Everything you need to get started is right here. Enjoy a safer nail application experience. Our HEMA-free formula is designed for your well-being without compromising on performance. Forget the UV lamp. This dipping system requires no curing, making your manicure process faster and more convenient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a salon professional, this set is perfect for creating beautiful nail art. Unleash your creativity with ease. Achieve professional-looking results effortlessly. The dipping system is designed for ease of use, ensuring a smooth and flawless finish every time. What we like? This HEMA-free starter set provides 15 milliliters bottles of dipping system essentials, including base, activator, top coat, and brush saver. It's designed for easy home use and salon-quality art without curing. If you're seeking a HEMA-free option in a more compact size for trying out or for travel, this is a great choice for your DIY dip nail art. What people say. The colors are beautiful and the kit has everything you need to get started. The powder applies smoothly and evenly, making it easy to achieve a professional-looking manicure at home. The kit includes a variety of colors, so you can experiment with different looks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.